Section 2. Understanding AI and the AI Fluency Framework Learning Objectives. By the end of this section, educators will be able to 1. Understand what AI is and is not in clear, accessible terms. 2. Recognize how AI already influences classrooms and learners. 3. Learn the globally recognized 4D AI Fluency Framework: Delegation, Description, Discernment, Diligence, adapted for teachers. 4. Begin reflecting on how these principles apply to their own teaching context. Before we can confidently bring AI into education, we need clarity. Because in conversations about artificial intelligence, confusion is common. Some teachers worry AI is replacing them. Some students treat AI as a magic answer machine. Others think AI is so technical that it's not for educators. The truth? AI is not magic, and it is not a replacement for teachers. It is a set of tools and systems built to recognize patterns in data and make predictions or generate new outputs. What AI really is. In simple terms, AI is when a computer performs tasks we usually consider intelligent if done by humans. Examples include understanding language, like chatbots answering questions; recognizing patterns, like identifying whether an essay shows signs of plagiarism; making recommendations, like suggesting a next lesson exercise. But here's the key distinction. AI does not think like humans. It does not understand content. It uses statistics and patterns from previous data. That means AI outputs can be useful, but also flawed. How AI is already entering classrooms. Even if you think I don't use AI, chances are you already do. Translation apps helping multilingual classrooms. Spelling and grammar checkers embedded in word processors. Adaptive learning platforms that adjust difficulty based on performance. Accessibility tools. Text-to-speech, automated captions. Students are already growing up in a world where AI quietly supports daily learning. The question is not whether AI will enter classrooms. It already has. The real question is, how will we guide its responsible use? The AI Fluency Framework for Educators. To answer that, global organizations like the World Economic Forum and UNESCO recommend frameworks, structured ways to approach AI responsibly. At Horizon Trax, we focus on the 4D AI Fluency Framework, which applies especially to educators. Let's break it down. 1. Delegation. What can AI do, and what must stay human? Example: AI generating quiz questions equals efficient and fine. But final student grading decisions, mentoring, or understanding emotions must always stay human. 2. Description. Can we explain AI clearly without hype or jargon? Teachers should be able to tell students, this chatbot is not thinking. It predicts answers based on past text. Clear descriptions prevent fear and unrealistic expectations. 3. Discernment. Do we critically evaluate AI outputs? Teachers must double-check AI-generated content for errors or bias before using it. 4. Diligence. Are we using AI responsibly, modeling ethics for students? Teachers play a leadership role here, setting rules for plagiarism, explaining to students why responsible AI use builds trust, protecting student data and privacy. Why this matters for educators. If educators don't use a structured framework, AI can seem overwhelming. Some teachers will overuse it, others will avoid it. Students will be left confused about what's allowed and what's not. But using the 4Ds gives you a clear guide. Delegate smartly, describe clearly, discern critically, use with diligence. This prepares not only you, but also equips your students to carry these values into their future. Reflection. Think about your teaching over the last year. Have you already encountered students using AI in homework, assignments, or translation now? Which of the 4Ds do you think your students currently struggle with most? Delegation, description, discernment, or diligence? How could you, as an educator, model this principle in your own classroom? Key takeaways. 1. AI is not thinking like humans. It processes data and patterns to generate outputs. 2. AI is already in classrooms through spell checkers, translation, and adaptive platforms. 3. The AI Fluency Framework, 4Ds, helps educators use and teach AI responsibly. Delegation. What AI can versus cannot do. Description. Explaining AI clearly. Discernment. Evaluating outputs. Diligence. Modeling responsibility. 4. Teachers must apply the 4 Ds both personally and pedagogically.